How to fix Starlink disconnected and slow internet. So if your Starlink internet is disconnected or basically just running slow, there are some things you can potentially try which could pretty much maybe help your problem. So it's pretty much very specific depending on your situation. So you could go ahead and check on these. So first of all, you can try checking the Starlink status. So open the Starlink app or go to the Starlink status page to see if there's a service outage in your area. So if there's an outage, you have to wait it out since Starlink does resolve it themselves. Another is to restart your Starlink. So power cycle the Starlink dish, so unplug and wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then just plug it back in. Then for the router, you gotta restart the Starlink router if connected separately, and this pretty much just refreshes the network connection and can resolve some or many temporary glitches. You can also check your dish placement, so make sure the dish has a clear view of the sky. The dish should be level and pointed unobstructed toward the sky. Starlink outer lines, but physical obstacles can cause slow speeds. So avoid placing it near metal objects or reflective surfaces as well. So another is to update the Starlink firmware. So it's automatic as well. So Starlink usually updates automatically, but just go ahead and check the app for pending updates, since outdated firmware can cause disconnects or slow speeds. Next, just check on the network congestion. So speeds may drop during high usage times in your area. You're gonna disconnect unused devices from your Wi-Fi so that it can focus on the device you want to actually use. So use the Starlink app to see which devices are connected and consuming bandwidth. Finally, just try improving the Wi-Fi signal. So router placement, place the router centrally in your home, away from walls or appliances. You can also use Ethernet if possible. You can connect critical devices directly to the Starlink router via an Ethernet cable for maybe more stable speeds. And you can also try using a Wi-Fi extender. So consider mesh network if coverage is somewhat poor indoors. But those are a few things you can try to potentially fix your Starlink being slow and disconnecting. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.